Hello everyone, this is Yi from Gospel Boat. Today we have two friends from New Caledonia, Chris, Jérémie, to visit our factory.
We bought one 7.5-meter easy craft boat about 1 year ago. This time we spent the whole day in the factory to see the accessories we install on the boat. They also shared their advice about the dip wick, the trim tabs on the boat. Also, we shared some finished boat, like the catamaran boat, the interior, the accessories we installed on the boat that's available, and also the dimension, the heat about the cabin, so they can know the size if the size okay for their heat. On the boat, we talked about their requirements on their new boats, the equipment they would like to install. They mentioned it's very hot in their city. Also, the engine we installed, the speed for each model. Then we went to the chief engineer office, talk with the engineer about their requirement to see the catamaran boat models we built. They would like to customize the one catamaran boat as well. Well, next we went to the boat in build and to see the welding, see the cabin layout, and see where they can sleep, where they put the air conditioner, the installation material, the deck space, the cabin inside. Then they shared their feedback about the first boat, the 7.5 boat pictures, videos on the sea, and their advice, and see what we can do to improve innovation on our new boat.
Yeah, these two friends come to Qingdao for the first time, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. First time, yeah.
So can you share your experience for the first ever 7.5-meter boat you buy? Did you drive that all the time?
Yeah, we go outside maybe one time a week.
One time a week?
Or when it's possible, I mean.
Okay.
Because in our island there is a lot of wind, so sometimes we cannot go out. But otherwise, yeah, we use it a lot.
Any advice for our factory or the boat details?
I don't think so. I think you did a pretty good job. Otherwise, yeah.
Okay.
Right.
And for the catamaran boat, you are looking for the new boat this time, right?
Yeah. A bigger one.
When will you need this one? When would you expect to receive the boat this time?
T'attends de le recevoir quand le bateau? Ouais. In the next 6 months, maybe, if it's possible.
Okay. So after today's brief talk about with the engineer, to see our boats, I think we know your basic requirements about the boat.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, then we will start communicate and offering the price for that, and then we can negotiate some details.
Okay.
And if you have any advice for our boats or on your boat, you can tell me directly.
Yeah, and it's pretty nice because we can see the plans you are working for, so we can see how it's done on the inside and on the outside. So,
yes. We will show you the layouts on the boat models, and so you can see how the boat looks like and where to change, where to customize. I hope you enjoy this trip in our factory in Qingdao.
Yes, a lot.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you for that.
Yeah, thank you, and we welcome you to see our factory again, especially in summer.
Yeah.
It's a very comfortable city in summer.
Okay.
And also, I was not sure if you like to drink beers. In summer, there would be the beer festival.
Yeah, I heard about it.
Yes. So that would be the beer festival in July. So maybe you can come next time.
Yeah, maybe.
Yes. I can take you some pictures about that, and you can see if your time available.
Yeah.
And then we can meet and talk.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks
Thank
to
you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Glad
you.
to meet you, Chris. Thank you. Thank you.